Kapag pinakailman ng Diyos ang iyong plano, hayaan mo ang Diyos. Amen? Trust and have faith in Him. God is already working and fulfilling His plans and purpose for your life. Amen? Far better than you expect, far better than you think, more wonderful than you plan. Kasi kapag hindi natin hinayaang mangialam ang Diyos, if we don't let God interrupt our plans, we may end up ruining our lives. Kaya minsan pinapakialaman talaga tayo ng Diyos. Kasi akala natin, alam na natin lahat. Akala natin yung inisip natin, goods. Akala natin yung inisip natin, maganda ito. Paldo ako dito. Inisip natin yung ending natin kapag tinuloy natin ito. Okay. Pero hindi natin sigurado. Kaya sabi ng Bible, Proverbs 14 verse 12, there is a way which seemeth right unto a man. Merong daan